Hi, so I'm going to do a walkthrough of my album that I just got done, and then you can see it. And I have just put these on. These are from Heartfelt Creations. These are silk roses that I've taken, and you can barely see the girl, but she's reaching up into the vines. So I'm going to kind of put this on top of there so it doesn't smish into the floor or into the table. Let me move it over just a little bit. Okay. So I've done, you saw me do these. I put these in. I put some little ephemera in. You can put tickets and things in here. We have our brads and ephemera. And then we have some more ephemera. Now, anywhere in here you can put pictures. Even if you cover some of these things up, this is just for production to make it look nice when you give it to someone. And these can be made into pictures. Each of the sections has one of these. There are 6 of them, and they are decorated both on the front and the back. Let me put that back. There we go. And I've staggered them. You can see they're staggered. Okay, then some more. Pictures. Think about putting all your pictures in here. Pictures. This you might want to just keep. Lots of pockets. Lots of places to hide things. More ephemera. And these are cute because they're like file folders. And then you can put things inside of them. And tickets or little love letters. If you do it for kids, I would think love letters for kids. Picture. Another big picture could go here or here. And you can see all of the right little letters on these for your kids or your husband or mom or whoever you're giving it to. I don't have anything in this pocket. I will eventually. Pictures. Again, you could put a memory on this. This was made with our glitter paper and then 2 different papers, and they kind of coordinate with these ones. Letters, pictures. This got a little weird. I don't know. My glue was really acting up when I did this page, and I'm not sure if maybe the glue is old. So, and then this is the page that I told you about. It's done this pretty much the same way. I put a triangle here, and then I start adding these at odd ends. A little love note, maybe a picture. Now, if this bothers you, that it's too much, you can always put a nice fancy paper there. It doesn't bother me, so I like it. And then my back and my spine. So I hope you've enjoyed this. It was fun making it with you. And remember, in September, we're going to go ahead and do a new album, an even more advanced album. But this was a nice one for you to learn how the basics run. Okay, thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again.